People who are really good communicators have something called emotional intelligence. This can make or break a good interaction with an adjuster, customer, or really anyone in your life. Not very long ago, in the same galaxy you live in, there was a contractor named Benjamin, and the force of emotional intelligence was strong with him. Using emotional intelligence, Benjamin was able to influence the outcome of his conversations and even impact the actions and decisions of others. When you hear the word intelligence, you're probably thinking about how intellectually smart you are, your ability to solve problems with reason. But emotional intelligence, which is a practical skill for communication, is your ability to identify, manage, and control your own emotions and to have an awareness of the emotions of others. Whether you're speaking with a customer or an adjuster or even a colleague, this can really help you have successful interactions. Now, we're not talking about someone who wears all their emotions on their sleeve. That is not emotional intelligence. And it also doesn't mean someone who is a cold fish and stuffs everything. You identify your emotions in order to manage them. And you want to be aware of other people's emotions in order to empathize with them. Benjamin can empathize with the homeowner who is stressed out because of the loss that they've experienced, and even empathize with an adjuster. They're humans too. This allows you to adapt to people and situations. It's not just what you say, but how you say it and when, feeling for the right time to say something. This skill makes you an active listener. You're attentive to what's going on with that other person so you can be responsive to them. It's like a really good football player who is aware of everything going on around him so that he can respond and take action in a way that moves the ball down the field. When a situation makes Benjamin feel angry, frustrated, or worried, emotional intelligence is what helps him keep his cool. He doesn't fly off the handle and he doesn't shut down. He controls these influences in order to resolve conflict and communicate effectively.